Hello, ladies. It's part 3 of the Genesis Virgin Brazilian wavy hair. I just installed this yesterday, and where should I start, ladies? Where should I start? First, let me start with the fact that I'm kind of skeptical or leery of this hair because of the simple fact that I was watching Poison Ivy's video, and she was saying how you could detect whether or not your hair is real virgin hair or not. And one of the things that she said was if you looked at your wefts, that your wefts would usually be single weft and the beards would be short. Well, I took a look at my wefts, and my wefts are double wefts sewn together, and the beards on it are kind of long from what I'm used to. So I wound up having to split my tracks because there wasn't thin enough for me. I don't like it when my wefts are so thick to where it tugs on my hair because it makes everything sore. It just hurts. So that's 2 points out the window. Negative. Another thing I did not like about this hair is I tried to go by Fabulousity Is Me's direction, by the care direction when it came to styling this hair. Now, I tried to put no product on it and just put the John Frieda Frizzies on there with the heat protection serum, and I ran my fingers through it, and it seemed to be alright. But as I noticed as I was curling through it, it just got really frizzy, fuzzy. Look at my ends, y'all. My ends are a horrible, hot mess. I think I'm gonna wind up having to straighten this hair out and taking it to a professional salon and letting them trim the ends, because it may look fabulous now while I'm on camera, but I'm telling you, this hair in person right now is a whole different story. What's really killing me about this is that the hair itself, it looks freaking gorgeous. It really does. It looks really natural. It's really freaking gorgeous looking hair. I mean, look at that. It's gorgeous. But if it's not like that all the way through, you have one thing up top and then another thing at your ends. This is the reason why I say your ends must be right. If the ends are damaged, then you're not selling a product at its full length. And I'm like really hating to have to do this review this way, because I like this hair, but I don't like this hair. I don't. Like, I like it. It's a love-hate relationship over here. I sealed these wefts. Even though I split the track, I sealed these wefts at least 3 times. And the amount of shedding that I'm getting, people, is just, it's ridiculous. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, okay, it's better now. But look at that, ladies. Matter of fact, you ladies are gonna have to excuse my nails because, look, I had a horrible accident. I'm thinking about quitting acrylics too, but that's besides the point. But one moment. Coach box. Now you can see it. Now you can see it. You can really see. And that's like about 3 or 4 strands for me running it in. No, that's more than 3 or 4 strands. Shit. Ha! Now you see how much it is. Now, this is every time I'm finger combing. Not just. And I stopped brushing this weave. I stopped brushing it, and I bought myself a wide tooth comb. One moment. Yeah, I bought one of these. And I comb this hair out because of the shedding. The shedding is irking me out. It's irking me out. I'm gonna post pictures of the split weft, and I'm gonna post pictures of this hair. I'm gonna post pictures of the ends. Mind you, this is the side that I went through a little bit and did with a curling wand. I curled it with a curling wand, and that's when it just kind of did its own thing on me. And this is the side that I just left natural. The only part that I curled was this part right here to give me some lift. But I left everything on one side. This side is pretty virtually untouched. And this side is the side with the chemicals and things that I had to put in there. I'm hoping that you're getting this of my ends. I'm really hoping that you're getting this, because the bushiness in this hair, the frizziness, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm seriously thinking about going to a professional salon and letting them trim the ends, like just flat iron this crap out, go to Supercuts or something, and let them trim the ends so that the hair down here can look like the hair up here, because this is just ridiculous. Another thing that I used, you guys are gonna trip out because I'm about to leave the camera screen one more time to show you what I used to help tame that problem if you're getting that problem. Hold on. Here. I got the sun shining in my room, baby. But yeah, that's what I've been spraying on this hair, because this hair is just I see why some ladies are having a really love-hate relationship with this brand, and I'm just gonna say it to myself that I'm feeling the same way too. So I'm gonna post the pictures, and I'll keep you posted with, I don't know if I'm gonna wear this for 5 weeks straight. I might just do 4, depending on what the hair does. So catch you ladies later.